So here's a quick video showing you how to reset a service on a 2024 Mercedes Vito. It does apply to other Mercedes models that has this steering wheel and those style clocks. So you need to have the first stage of the ignition on where not all the lights come. You then need to have the trip gauge and the miles showing, and then you press the home button for 5 seconds. And then press and hold the OK button until you get this menu come up. And then you scroll down into Assist Plus. It then tells you to press the ignition on. So you press another press on the ignition. Then you go down to full service and click OK. And then you scroll down and confirm service. I'm not going to confirm this one because I've just done it and I don't want to put the services out of sync. But I really struggled to figure out how to do this on a brand new Mercedes because you can't do it through my Diagnostic. So hopefully this helps you if you're needing to reset yours. So if this video helped you reset the service light in your Vito, hit the like button for us and subscribe. Helps us keep more videos coming like this and keep giving hints, tips and tricks for all makes and models. See you on the next one.